I came here with motive, not because I want to see. Go and ask my manager. They can. I didn't come and look for relationship or girlfriend. But immediately I just saw Thelma. I swear to God, it was just a thing of I liked her from first instance. Kilo came at this time. I don't get sense, normal. So I don't know anything with this. I don't hear English now, so I don't want to take no within the strategy.
Okay, so hold on. The way you talk now, I have to ask something.
Okay.
I feel like you saw her and you liked her, but I feel like sometimes you don't know the magnitude of some certain words that you say.
Yes.
Maybe you just say because you feel that way in that instance, but you're not thinking about how serious. It's crazy to say to somebody that you love them in 3 days.
I didn't say I love her.
Really?
I didn't say I love her. Actually, you played game with Tom on this dining table now. That I countered it immediately. I never told her I loved her. That's
within 3 days or something.
I didn't tell her I loved her. How is that possible? I said I liked you and I would like to have a thing with you.
Okay.
A serious thing for that matter is what I said. And that was, so to be honest, the only thing I can afford myself is one thing. Why I'm going to pick the second thing will be based on Ortega's advice to me. The first thing was, the very first day we came, after I said I liked her, it's just normal. It's just normal. I mean, not like maybe.
It's normal to like somebody.
No. The statement I mentioned is where I'm going to now, apart from the likeness. So when I went upstairs, just like, that urge of, you just came here, you are trying to make people laugh, trying to make everybody just. Then I uttered the statement saying, when I go fuck you, eh?
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, no, man, let me go tell you everything.
No, I heard that.
So when I said, I make you just sit down. All of us gather sit down for that amatem chat. So I want to go and shower. I just wrote to her. So I think we were talking about something sexual related. Although we were having that, they were like, I stood beside her, sitting. I was about to, I fucking, that. I just said it like, for saying, whether it was coming from intention that I really want to fuck her. But now, she didn't tell me that night that what I said, she doesn't like it. I now heard it from Ortega. I don't know whatever discussion they had, but Ortega just called me like after 4 days or 5 days. He now took me to that garden. Ortega now started saying, and as I said, normal, I be want to say if I don't go outside, I go find them, say, but I can't look, say, if any don't make me go outside, I don't go want to talk about the situation with Ortega again, that let bygone be bygone, I don't get issue with that one. You called me outside as a brother. Now you first be me, I say, how you come? You talk, say you like this girl. Which day you don't call her? Sit down, make me not get deep conversation. Say, even me will be a friend that they follow and talk past you. I can't talk, say, senior man, make I not lie. Me, I be one kind of person who say, I don't really disturb person. I will just talk with you. I won't talk about that point. Say I like you. It's now to the person. Say now, no, I don't want to make you think I'm saying maybe I get pride. Don't be pride. I actually don't have a serious relationship for 14 years. But don't be saying whether I know they get all this side thing.
Yes, maybe you're not used to having
that's it. About maybe
connection. So
now, what I felt like I should have done at that time was actually sit her down, to be honest,
and get to know her on a deeper level.
Good.